Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain you how to upload the solution of assignment which you have completed on the Moodle platform. Moodle is a LMS, right? So by seeing this video, you will come to know that how to upload the assignment solution or assignment file on a Moodle platform. So let's begin. Uh, Initially, you have to log in into the Moodle account by using your credential. Already I have logged in into my account, right? By using my credential. These are my credential. I have logged in. Now then you have to click on this course. In course you will find different your courses, different subjects. So in my login I will have only one course here, that is ME 1102 for division I. So what you have to do, you have to bring the cursor at my course. You will get in progress. You will have the different subject here. You have to click on the subject of which assignment you want to upload. So this is my BMRE subject, that is basic mechanical and robotics engineering. I want to upload the assignment of that subject. I will click on ME 1102. After clicking on that ME 1102, student will find the course material uploaded by that faculty under each topic, right? So these are the course material available under each topic. So here, if you see the unit number 1, that is topic 1, here you will find one assignment 1. And you have to upload your solution of assignment 1 under this category. So what you will do, you have to click on assignment 1. After clicking on assignment 1, you will have a new screen. Here the Word file assignment uploaded by faculties, you can see here on 6 March. Submission status not attempted by anybody, not graded as nobody have submitted. So due date is 19 March, 12 days, 13 hours from this date. So any comments? So how to upload your assignment here? You have to click on this add assignment tab. Click on this add assignment tab. After clicking on this add assignment tab, here you will find one drop down window, or you can drop your file here in this window where downward arrow is fluctuating here. So what I will do, I will minimize this screen. This Moodle screen is here and my assignment solution file is this PDF file. So what I will do, I will just drag it and I will drop into this window. Now this file where my assignment is there, that will get dropped here, that is uploading on the Moodle. Once the uploading is finished, you have to click on Save Changes. When you click on Save Changes, it will take you to the previous screen. Here now you will find draft not submitted. That message is coming here, right? Still your assignment is not submitted. What you have to do? Your file is uploaded. You can see here file submission. Yes, it is uploaded on this and this time, this date, right? But how this submission will get completed? To complete this submission, what you have to do? You have to click on this submit button. Until unless you are not submitting this submit assignment, your assignment will not get submitted. Remember, my dear student, you have to click on submit assignment. When you click on submit assignment, it will get submitted. Here again, are you sure you want to submit your work for grading? You will not be able to make any more changes. Yes, if yes, continue. Click on continue. Now when you complete this complete procedure, now here you will find submission status. It is submitted for grading, right? Till then, you are not getting this message, your assignment is not submitted on the Moodle. Remember, this message finally you should have in your login. then and then only your faculty will find your assignment file there, right? So this is the procedure. Hope you understood everything. Thank you. Thank you very much. I am stopping this meeting now. Thank you.